What's up guys, and welcome back to GbpUsd. Today I'd like to introduce you to my new Forex trading system, the PIP's ATM. This system is capable to read and show if the market it is trending, if the market it is on a pullback, if the market it is on a consolidation time, or if the market it is on a continuation trend. So this thing, it is the real deal, guys. If you're a beginner and you are looking to learn how to trade Forex, this is the best way to have a look and see how the market is actually working. All these indicators are free, and all this information in this channel, it is free. If you like it, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like it. Smash the like button. Okay guys, so let's have a look what are the indicators used on this PIP's ATM system. Then we're gonna have a look what are the settings used on each individual indicator. Then we're gonna create some rules how to use it properly. Then we're gonna do some backtesting and see how efficient it really is. Okay, so the very first indicator, it is my no nonsense ATR that I use it on 1.5 ATR for stop loss and 2 ATR for take profit on this occasion. So we're gonna see why and how it works. The first confirmation indicator, that's my LSMA, and the settings are on the 14. Then the next indicator, it is my baseline, the Kinjun Sen, and the settings are on 26. Then here's my second confirmation indicator, that's the MMR. This indicator, it is my second trend confirmation and the volume at the same time. I use the histogram to show me if I have volume on the market and if I am on the downtrend, if it is a pullback, if I have a consolidation time, and then if it is an uptrend again and you have a reversal and all this. The settings for this indicator are the fast MA is 12, the slow MA is 26, the signal is 9, the R here the period is 14, 5 and 85. Okay, the next indicator, that would be my exit indicator. Here it is, the Rex oscillator. I actually like this exit indicator. The settings are just the standard ones. Input, this is just the standard ones, 14 and 14. Then now we're gonna create the rules how to use this PIP ATM. So for the rules for entry position are, if the C1 is green, and the candle has closed above the baseline, and the C2 is forming a green histogram, that it is an entry position. So we can see here the price has closed above. Let's see, the price has closed above, the histogram has formed, and then here it is our entry position. Now let's have a look what will be the rule for the short position or sell. If the price has closed below the baseline and then the histogram has formed, there you have the short position. Okay, then if you have actually entered a short position and you want to really ride it almost to the bottom, what you can do, it is, I actually have some rules for keep it a bit longer. So let's see, if you enter here because you are below the baseline, actually here you don't have the histogram yet, so let's say you enter here and you want to ride it to the bottom. You keep an eye on this blue line, has to keep underneath of the zero line. What you have here, the zero line on this indicator, and you actually want to leave whenever the C1 is turning yellow. Whenever the C1 is turning yellow, and you can see as well that the Rex indicator, it is crossing above. This Rex indicator, as long as it is the green line below the zero line, you don't want to really go out of the trend, you don't really go out of the position, because that will just show you a continuation of the trend, so you can actually ride it a bit longer. Whenever the green line cross above this red line and the whole thing looks like it's going out of the zero line cross, then you definitely gonna leave and go out. Okay, and very important, if you're looking to ride the position for a long time, for long pips, you need to make sure that you lock in some profits. See that one there go 266 pips. You need to make sure you lock in some profits, just in case if the trend goes against you, you're gonna be profitable. So at the same time, let's say if you wanna really ride a trend very long, for example like here, you can see actually that the price has closed above. Even if you take this one here, you would have a very long, look, 485 pips. Let's go a bit backwards and have a look. Let's see from January, February. Yes, so if you would go inside here, that would be a win, but then if you want to ride it for longer, 521 pips. Very important, guys, you need to make sure you have a lot of patience. This market is not friendly at all, even in these times, so the more patient you are, the better. Okay, and see, as soon as you are some pips in profit, you make sure you just lock in and keep them. Okay, but you make sure you have your due diligence in place. Do not trade funds that you cannot afford to lose, and be just clever with what you're doing. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, smash the like button and share it. Guys, all this I'm doing all this with all my heart, and it's all free. I only look to share what actually I did learn myself. Thanks to VP, he done a great job and I really enjoy it. Guys, until next time, happy trading, and please subscribe and be aware whenever, and hit the notification bell, be aware whenever the new videos they're gonna come up. I'm gonna have some new stuff coming up shortly. You're gonna love it. Thank you and happy trading.